Hi guys, this video is about how to make this gorgeous camellia using just absolutely easy and simple technique and absolutely easy template, which is actually regular circle. That's it. This camellia size is pretty big. That's over 45 centimeters. That's close to 50, so which is almost 19 inches. So I need to use really big base for this flower. I work with papers only in A4 format, so there's no way to cut the huge base circle out of A4. So there is a trick for these big size bases. I use this tool. I find the middle of the A4 sheet, which is here, right? And then I draw a circle. My tool isn't big enough, but anyway, circle is like this. You see, I put my mark not on the edge of paper, but just about 1 inch off, and then I cut this circle using as much paper as I can. So this way I got semicircles with the center in here. I will go through. So I have center of the circle is here, and then what I do when I make flowers, I stamp each base with my business details. Follow us on Sydney Paper Flowers, and this is my phone number and my online shop address, and that's it. And then I make a huge circle out of these two semicircles. Do you see? That's easy. So I got huge circle. Actually, I should almost overlap these two, but I'll go slightly wider as much as I can out of A4 sheet. And then what do I use? You probably saw our videos about different techniques how to cut perfect circles, so you can use any of them and cut circles. Mine are here, they are almost 6 inches each, or 15 centimeters. So I use circles all in this size, and here I have 12 circles. So this will be my first layer, and I divide it in half and cut this in the middle, and it is 4 inches deep cut. Deep cut, and then I add my band-aid, just not to damage my finger skins, and just to protect from the scissors grip. So what I do then, so that's an easy technique. We need to glue here and curl here. I use my old paintbrush, so we can curl, and then and then glue. Or we can do opposite. Glue and then curl. So 12 circles. Circles in this size. We glue them all together. And now I take all of them at once. I just check that they all are in the same position. Take my old brush and curl them. That's it. 12. And now we glue them. This way. Ready. Done. And this is our first layer. The second layer is made from the same size circles, and again there are 12 of them, and we go with and this time it is 3.5 inches. that's it with the second layer. Now I go with a little bit less circles, and actually there should be 10 of them. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 circles, and this is 3 inches cut. So we have only 10 circles, which means this way. And now we go with 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we cut off a little bit. I'd say it is about 1.5 inches, and do all the same job. And then that's about 2 inches cut. So what we have, 6 semicircles, and I would still curl them just a tiny bit here and here, this way, and then we go this way. When we go with 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we cut them in half this way, and we do all the same. So once you did this, you cut here and here. And the other 5 ones, you do all the same, and cut this. That's it, this way, and then you can go either way, or you can add something like this. Like this to here, or this type of center, or this type of center, or even this, or this, or what we can do, alternatively, we can add this spider into here. And that's it. Enjoy your absolutely easy peasy camellia.